seem to like the color combinations. I like the actual design of the shoe. Even some of the ones people think are hideous, I kind of like that they're different. And yeah, you saw the thumbnail. We're looking at the peppers. Let's kick it. So $3.80 on the box. Size 9. Pepper. Boost. All that good jazz. I picked these up on eBay because I bought this before the recent, at the recording this had happened yesterday, just out of nowhere shock drop of stock for half off that Adidas dropped. We'll grab the one that doesn't have the eBay tag on it, so we don't have to deal with that for the moment. Here we have it. Yeezy 380 in the pepper colorway. Dark translucent outsole where you can see the boost. Comes up to a gray translucent midsole. And then we have gray, beige, and kind of orangish tones. Love the toe down view, the infinity lacing system. One piece prime knit with different texturing. Then you have this kind of see-through portion. See, when I pull that out, you'll be able to see the socks kind of like in the 350 V2 where they have the stripe. So same thing. They're different. I get it. Sock-like fit at the top. There is actually some structure and pillowing to the heel. I like the profile to them. They're high stack, full of boost. I believe the insole comes out with the standard fare. Yeah, standard Adidas Yeezy insole. You know, basic. It doesn't need to be anything impressive because there's boost right there underneath, under your foot. I mean, technically, you could get away with rocking them without an insole. A lot of people wear Yeezys, Boost specifically Yeezys, without insoles. I mean, I don't. I prefer the insole personally, but you know, I think this is a very neutral type of colorway that offers a lot of character at the same time while being very muted. It's not loud, but it's distinctive and eye-catching at the same time while not being loud. I think this is a great jogger shoe, specifically. I don't know what they're going to look like with jeans. I have tried on it because I have several. I bought a bunch of the 50% off ones too, but I have several that I bought from Goat and eBay recently that I just haven't featured on the channel yet. This is the first pair of 380s we're featuring on the channel. This is the first Yeezy 380 video here on TLTG Kicks. I've got the Alien Blues and so on. I won't continue with Coralite Blues, yada yada yada. I got a bunch of them. I've got almost every color at this point because I love the silhouette and I want to start wearing them. So I need to start doing the content because I like to show them to you guys clean as best I can before I start rocking them. And I want to wear these to my upcoming trip in a couple of days. And I figured we'd go ahead and do a video on them so I can bring them with me because I'm going to get these bottoms dirty. They are comfortable, guys. These are slept on. Right now, you can get this for $115 from Adidas while supplies last. They still had a good amount of sizes, multitude of colorways. I actually did a video on it here on the channel if you want to take a look, but enough talk. Let's get these on feet.